Hi friends, today we are going to see how we could create a glossary using our LiFE app. We will first log in into the system, then we will move to the lexicon module of the app. Lexicon module allows you to create very sophisticated dictionaries, etc., but you could also use it for creating a much simpler thing like a glossary. Let's first try and create the project for this. So let's create a English in the Sanskrit glossary or text glossary test. The language will be English, and this will be Latin. Then, one could add languages and scripts for sentence translation or lexicon gloss. So this is where all the other languages of the glossary will be added. So let's start with this Hindi and Sanskrit, and you could add more languages if you want. So let me try adding third language as well here, and then hit Create Form. So this will create your project, and then you could move to the project. As you could see at the beginning, the project is blank, and you could start entering the words. So for example, you could start by putting the word linguistics. Gloss English is mainly for more description. This is one of the fields that could be removed as well in the present case, and then you could give the translations in other languages that we have chosen. So let's submit this. You could go to Browse. You could see your entries as a table, and you could browse it all at one go if you want, or if you see that there are some errors, you could click on Edit, and that will take you back to the original form where you could edit the entries. Of course, you could also do a bulk upload if you have a pre-existing glossary, so you could just go to the Upload. You could upload Excel file, you could upload a LiFE.xml if you have worked with LiFE.xml, and then you hit Upload. This should upload the lexemes that were there in the Excel file. And if you go to the Browse option, you will see that all those lexemes have been added in the table that you see here. You could browse through this, so there are now altogether 700 entries, and you could move through it and work on it. Once you are done with it, you could download the lexeme again in multiple formats. So that could be structured or unstructured printable format. So things like JSON, CSV, Excel, also PDF if you want to print it. And there is a way to customize or typeset the PDF that is finally generated directly from the app. You can share the project with other people for collaboratively working on it. And there is a very fine-grained share access control interface, so you could select the users with whom you want to share the project. You could then give the other user the permission to view, edit, or add and delete entries. So if you just want to give an edit permission, you could give it from here if you want to. So delete is the highest level of permission. So let's just try with this edit. And you could also then give advanced access control, such as allowing them to download or to share it with other people. So if you don't give to the access, they will not be able to do that. So that's it. Thank you very much for listening.